Do you see this flat griddle for burgering purposes? So let's take it out of the box. It's really nice. This is how it comes. You get two handles that I'm gonna put right now. And here we got the screw. Okay, now it's ready. I'm gonna prepare my breakfast. Let's see, I can put it this way or this way, but I'm gonna use it like this. I'm gonna wait till it's hot. I'm gonna make some eggs. Turn this down a little bit. As you can see, it is non-stick, so you don't have to worry about that. So as you can see, now I am letting it dry. It was very easy to clean up, just some scrubs and it was ready to soak. So it's really nice, very convenient. The handles, you can just put it whenever you want it. It heats pretty fast, which is something nice. I like that it heats fast. And I will really recommend it. It's very simple to use. It can fit on a regular stove, which is nice. And I will really like it. See you.